Hello everyone, this is Alejandra Gomez with creatingwithali.com, and here I am showing you the next card class available for you. This one features the Floral Essence bundle, and you can see it comes with a punch that goes really well with this flower. And I'm gonna tell you, I'm so in love with this one because you can create flowers with only 2 punches, like in this case, or you can create one with the 3 pieces. So really cool punch to have. Another thing to note is that this one has a leaf image that goes really well with our leaf punch. So you can create cards just with those 2 images and just punch it out. So no fussy cutting at all. So anyway, so let's just go and show you all the projects. So you have here card number 1. Then you have card number 2, as you can see it here. There's also card number 3. And then card number 4. Now the cool thing about this card class is that I am actually showing you how to make a stationery box, as you can see it here, that goes really well with this set. And so you can see it fits 4 of the envelopes, white envelopes from Stampin' Up, that you could actually decorate as well. And then you can put your cards here and have it ready, right? So really cool. And so you can recreate this stationery box over and over with different themes. So definitely this card, I'm sure you're gonna love it, just because you're gonna be able to do so many gifts. I mean, just think about your teachers for thank you notes. Think about Christmas time where you have to do so many cards. You can give those as a gift. So anyway, too many options. I'm just thinking so many options here, like bridal showers or baby showers where the moms or brides to be are actually doing so many thank you notes. So lots of ideas there. So anyway, so let me just tell you a bit of the different options that I have. So the option 1 is the one that includes everything. You will get your make and take, as well as the video tutorials to learn how to make the cards, as well as the card box. And you also get a full pack of the gold faceted gems, as well as the flax ribbon. Now I gotta be honest, I don't have here the bolt. I already use it completely. You can tell I'm in love with that one. So use it completely in so many projects already that I don't have one. But you're gonna get a full spool of this ribbon. And you also get the bundle, the Floral Essence, as well as the punch. Now this option, it's $74, and like I said, it includes everything. The option 2 is the one for those of you who already got this bundle. So if you already have this one, but you still want to get the make and take, as well as the video tutorials, and also you'll get the gold faceted gems and the bolt of ribbon, that option is $49. And the last option is for those of you that have everything already. You don't need me to cut any of the paper, and you have the bundle and all the elements. So for that option, just for the video tutorials, it's $20. So I really hope you can join me on my next class. I'm sure you're gonna love it. And like I said, I just think that knowing how to do this box will be just priceless, because you can do so many other themes for all your gifts. So anyway, so thank you so much, and I'll see you soon. Bye.